I'm Hyun I'm a coach and a facilitator based in the US. Really pleased and honored to have this opportunity to share a bit about my experience. I was a participant in a pilot of the energetics workshop last year. When I read about it, there was something about it that I just knew that I had to be a part of this. And I believe that where we are in the world right now, we need a different kind of approach to leadership. And we need an approach that takes us beyond what it is that we already know. If we already had the answers, things would be very different. What drew me was the promise of stepping into terrain that was unknown and what that offers for the possibility of all the clients that I work with. The biggest impact, I would say, the workshop had on my work is that I'm noticing I have a greater level of trust in the deeper well and the deeper field of possibility and wisdom and insight that is not always visible. It requires a kind of slowing down. It requires accessing parts of myself. It also requires a sense of openness to what it is that I can't see. And I noticed that I'm really coaching from that place much more than I was before the workshop, in large part because I'm able to trust it more because of the embodied experience that I had when we were all together. So it was a powerful experience. I'm continuing to be engaged with it and hope to see you all in the future programs.